Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here, and today I'm going to share with you guys a little DIY I did in my daughter's room. Last year we picked up a rose gold Christmas tree for her room from Walmart, and this year we wanted some garland to put on some shelves that coordinated, but we couldn't find any anywhere. So we headed into the Dollar Tree to pick up a few things to DIY some ourselves. From the Dollar Tree, we picked up 3 of their white Christmas wreaths, and I also had a little bit of gold spray paint that has that rose tint to it already on hand. I took my needle nose pliers to loosen the 3 fasteners that keep this little wreath together, and then I just stretched it out, and voila, I have garland. Once I got it all fluffed, I took it over to some cardboard and gave it 2 coats of that gold spray paint, and it looks so great in person. I'm so happy I decided to do this, and now it perfectly matches the tree in her room. Here's a look at the completed garland in place on all 3 of her shelves, where all I did was add a couple of ornaments here and there, and I brought out all of the bottle brush trees that we've collected for her room with some snowflakes and those fairy lights that I was able to pick up at 90% off after the fall clearance at Target from Bullseye's Playground. We are loving how this turned out. And now we'll go ahead and dim the lights and give you guys a quick little room tour of my teen's room decked out for Christmas. As you can see, her colors are black and gold with a little bit of teal and pink. So we tried to stay within those colors even during Christmas. Her room already has that magical feel because I DIY'd her light up head post. You guys can find that here on my channel. We added a few other little touches like some trees to her dresser. And in the corner, her 6-foot slim Christmas tree in rose gold from Walmart last year. Her tree topper is from the Dollar Tree, and she has a lot of different ornaments we've collected over the years. Around there in the back, you'll notice the little high heel on the pink pillow that I picked up this year from Walmart. And last year we picked up this little snowman with the teal scarf and hat. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little room tour and this little DIY using the white wreaths from the Dollar Tree to make some rose gold garland. Time is definitely flying by at this point, and the big day will be upon us before we know it. So I want to take this chance to thank you all for your support over the last 2 years and wish you a very Merry Christmas from our home to yours.